What's up, soldiers? Trading soldiers out there. How's it going? So this morning, we're kind of tracking BBLG. We had a great discussion last night with Coach E, and I want to fill you guys in on that conversation a little later. But yeah, we talked about a few stocks, the market overview, um, what we expect to happen, what stocks we're going to be watching since this 50 basis points rate cut happened. So hey man, we got a great show for y'all. So stay tuned, and I'll see you in just a few seconds.
downtrend here, um, with possibility of price, um, holding resistance here. So, so that's about $1. And then right now it's at 231. It's also coming off of a split, reverse split. So, if she's going to push, um, I would look for this level here, 258 to be the next level. So,
No, it's your first level of resistance, right?
yeah, first level of resistance would be 258. I think she'll chop through this. But if you're gonna get another push, you're gonna have to break 304.
Okay.
She break 304, she's gonna go to 429. Um, I like this takeoff here. Push down. What she will have to hold is gonna be this level here. So it's on the 4 hour chart. So if we drop down to the 15 minute, this is what you're gonna see here. So you can see price consolidating here whole time in this area.
Hmm.
So price consolidated and then price broke out. So with that being said, if price is really going to get a push, I see it coming back in here before the takeoff, or it'll just gap up till to 258.
And that's what we're looking for. We those of us that are still in BBLG, we looking for that gap.
Yes.
Nice.
So, um,
Y'all got in this at 170, 171.
okay, yeah.
Yeah.
So right before it popped out. Yeah,
Hmm.
that's a good play. Um, that
Hmm.
was okay this morning, and then it held. So that yeah, that was a good move on that one.
So
So so anything above 220, so above 223 call calls, not calls, I'm sorry. Um you can ride that up. Anything um below 150 is gonna be shorts. And if it breaks below 150, then um you can look forward to retest 86 because it's gonna go hard when it goes down.
there we have it. Nice.
So for our perspective on CUR. All right. After our spike, after a split, split was in August, 2 weeks in, a little bit of interest going on. So she almost cleared this hurdle at $7. That, wow, that all happened in one day. Okay, so what you would like to see for it to continue to hold above 503. So anything below 503 is probably going to cause shorts. So as you can see, this was that resistance line. You had a
Right.
lot of break and retest, break and retest, break and retest, break and retest. Then you dipped under. Now you're breaking and retesting again.
Mm.
So you needed to maintain that $5 mark. So I could see it possibly coming back in here. And if it respects it, push off from there back up to test um 707. So that's on the 4 hour chart. So we'll drop down to the 15 minute. 15 minute, same thing. Um, you, slight volume imbalance right in there. That being said, you have an inside bar here. So this inside bar is one of two things. It is um, continuation um, of this trend, or um, what you can find is price broke below, price is holding below. So if price trades above this inside bar, so if it trades above 707, and it's going to move 707.
All right. 707. Got that on our notes.
So, and the reason why I say that, so what happens with those inside bars, inside bars are a sign of reversal. However, that reversal could be a continuation. So once price breaks above that body, you
Mm-hmm.
can look at that as that push to continue in that direction,
Mm.
especially when you have a push off like this. Uh, um, I'd be safe to, if you're looking for a 50-cent move, you would be safe at buying at 650 and riding it up.
Okay.
Probably somewhere up here it's going to get pushed back down, but
So it's good for
650,
a good 50-cent move, huh?
good 50-cent move, a break above that. Now we get up in the morning and price is above all of this, then ride the wave. Because it's going to create a nice wave. It's going to continue up. Um, but if it's below this $5 in the morning, I would leave it alone.
Leave it alone. Nice.
Right. Let's look at, all right, so 4 hour outlook on this guy. She is running. Nice run, nice run. Also, coming off a split. Well, that split was back in October, so this split is no longer a factor for this one. Um, the goal of this stock is to hit this 721.
Hmm.
If it can continue the movement above 650. So if it can continue to move above 650, then 772 is gonna be your next stop. And then you might get a peak out to um this $8 mark. So that's on the 4 hour. So this could possibly take. So understand that that 4 hour could be multiple days.
Right.
Doesn't necessarily have to be, tomorrow, but it could be multiple days.
Hmm. So we got
Drop
some
down to the
resistance.
50.
So some resistance over there at the 840.
Yes.
Okay.
840 is going to be your make or break. Um, Once again, with this tomorrow's play would more than likely, if we wake up and it's above 656, I would ride that wave to to 77 to 772 would be the wave I would ride. Um, and that wave might be bumpy. Hmm. And then finally taking that 838 day or two. Um, Remember, and then if it is anything below 417, I wouldn't do anything with it.
Gotcha.
So um, so from the six from 652 to 776, 20% move. That is a 30% drop, and that full move would be about 26, 25%.
Hmm. There we go.
Okay.
Get in, get the cheeseburger, and get out. Right.
Yeah. And that's REE. Next is going to be OMEX. That's already up 100%.
Yeah, that's a big gap right there, don't
That's a big gap. And okay, am I seeing something wrong?
it?
Is it gap up or gap down?
Look like a gap down.
Wait a minute.
Yeah, that gap down first.
Oh, that is. Let me see. Okay. I would touch this no more. It's done did its thing. Mm.
Hmm.
You know, open. I'm so confused. This has got to be some type of reverse split or something crazy. So this happened at 10. So this is 4 yesterday. And then this is the movement today. Okay. I see now. So
That's that bounce, right?
I wouldn't, I, I still wouldn't touch this one. So
Yeah.
what happened is Tuesday it sold off and got
Hmm.
down to 17 cents or something. Yeah, got down to 40 cents. And
Right.
then from that, yesterday afternoon, then it bounced and got as high as $1.90, closed out at 130. So that's where you see the 180% move.
Right. Because it bounced
But
from there
with this,
twice.
yeah.
But
Now with this gap, you could look for price to come back in this gap and at least maybe give you a 50% move. But
hmm
being that it's a penny stock, um, I could see it coming here and then pushing on down. Because whatever caused this move down is not gonna sustain this move up.
mm.
So so price could come back halfway or not, but whatever Odyssey mine exploration. Yeah. So and Odyssey mine exploration. Okay. So it looks like they had some type of something going on, and then they said it was settled, and then that they was going to use the money from the settlement to reinvest, basically. So settlement information, settle what, blah 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 blah. We're going to use the money to reinvest.
Reinvest.
Boom, 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 boom. So this one I would not touch unless it did something extraordinary. But
Keep it on the back burner, maybe.
yeah, I would keep it on the back burner. And as long as it doesn't get any more news, it might move a little bit. But for the most part, I don't see this as being a valid play.
Got you.
All right,
Uh,
and then last one is Vero. Okay, so she requires. So she is in that same downward downward spiral with price leveling out here, creating nice support. So every time it hit this area, it bounces. Time it hit this area, it bounces. So
mhm.
um, you could possibly wait till it comes down here again and bounce. Um, yeah. Um, but you could get a breakout here. What you don't want to have is a false breakout. So could break, come back down. But that's what I would look for. Um,
Or maybe even a break and come back and test it, and then that
yeah,
you get another chance to get back in.
yeah.
Oh,
So
okay.
that this area would be your main area that you want to watch. How price reacts to this 4 hour area right here.
hmm
Um, if you drop down to the 15-minute, you're getting built up, right?
hmm
So you gotta push and see how I was talking about that inside bar. See the inside bar. See once price broke above that inside bar, you
Right.
got a nice good push. Now you have price reversing here. So when price cleans that break, then you're probably going to get it to come back down here into the 187 to 181 area.
Hmm.
So I would look forward to if this doesn't hold, this line here doesn't hold, I can see it coming in here, chop a little bit, probably peep out, and then push up. But you're gonna need these orders in here to make this move.
Mm.
So you're
Okay.
gonna need that 81 cent, uh, 87 to 81 cent area to make this move happen,
And
to
there
get
we go.
price to push above. So boom, and then that's what you need to have. And if that happens, then you're going here,
What's that?
187.
187. Mm.
So you can possibly get a dollar move off of this.
That's something that we should. I'll pay attention to. I'll be on that
Yep.
tomorrow.
Now, here's the concept. Well, here's the understanding. Fed lower interest rates,
Yeah.
5 basis points.
Yeah.
Expectation, the word on the street was 25 basis points, with some um some predicting that 50 basis points would happen. So the
Hmm.
market had priced in 25, we got 50.
Hmm.
So futures is up after hours big. Um, futures is up 56 points. So this is where you had his announcement. Price came down, went up. So then you had price come here, sweep this low. Just came here, swept this low, swept this low, this candle, and then you start that push. So now you got that push up, push up, push up. So price will more than likely come in this area, um, probably by in the morning, um, sometime overnight in the morning in the London session. Price is going to hit this point right here, and it's going to push down. Every time the market open, it's going to push down till about right here, and then it's going to take out that high. And
Mm.
once it takes out that high, um, we're going to be in the clear for all-time highs.
Yeah, you can kind of see the W forming and the higher lows
Hmm.
on that second leg over there.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah, I see it.
Boom. So, um, that's that's basically what you're looking at. Price. So right now, price is looking to do this. So this is the all-time high. So price is gonna sweep that. and then it's gonna come up, sweep that, come back, take this, take that push, and go. And even on this 4 hour, look at this inside bar.
Mm-hmm.
Price broke above that inside bar and continuation. So reversal, boom, done to 15 minute. Reversal push back into here. Price is slowly churning. And once that's like I said in the morning, they'll probably take out all of this inefficient price action
Mm-hmm.
and then make its move. We do have possible orders left here. So price can either be the price can either get induced into this area here.
Mm-hmm.
So meaning it'll come back down into this area and go, or it'll take this area. And so one of these two scenarios is going to happen.
I like it. I like it.
And that's all I got. And if this move happens the way I think it's going to happen, that's going to be about a 50, it's like a 70 point move. And in futures, for every um for every 10 points,
Mm-hmm.
you make $100.
Nice.
So, and that's with one contract. So, if this entire move, if you could get in right here and ride this entire move up to here, it's a nice win.
So how much are you estimate making it on that type of move like that?
That would be a $700 move.
Nice.
Now, what you're looking for this move to happen. Um, so I mean anywhere in here in this area. This is so uh yeah. So you can wait the price come in here, price breaks out here. Uh, but by the end of the day, price is gonna take out that high somehow, some way. In the morning, this thing is gonna gap up $4 or $5, cool off about $3 to proceed to take this out. It is in we are already at all-time highs. Let me double check on the SPY. Yep. So we are at all-time highs on the SPY.
Nice.
So
So we're expecting some type of pullback.
expect a little pullback, but she is going to push up above um that. If I look at yeah, we look at this this last pullback from that high. Yeah, that was the farthest pullback. Price pulled back into the golden zone,
Hmm.
61.8. Mm, He could be shooting for 600. I think we'll probably get more of 580-ish in the next 2 days. $15 move. Next 2 to 3 days, I think we should have this by next week. 581.
Especially with the interest rates coming down, you think that'd be good for the markets?
Yeah. So with the interest rates coming down, some things that you should see make moves are going to be your real estate investment trust, um, your financials will see a slight gain, but might turn around. Your tech is definitely going to see a move. However, big tech might um, take a back seat to small caps because now small caps have the ability to go get those loans to do those research and development pieces in order to push the stock up
Right.
and to get their earnings up and to be able to hire more people. So, um, if you got some good small cap stocks out there, those will probably be ones you want to look at.
Mm,
Stocks that are within the Russell 2000 ETF.
okay. Nice. Nice. All right. So you want to hit the cues or
So same thing with the Qs. They got the same situation going on. So right now the Qs are in a pullback, and like I said, this is where money is coming out of big tech in order to transition to those small cap stocks.
mhm.
Um, um, if Qs breaks 47, 477.85,
Mhm.
then she's gonna make a nice push. At least she's gonna make a push to at least here. Um, take a breather and then continue to push through.
And what level is that? 495?
Yeah, 495.
Hmm. So that's a good what 20 cent 20 point move?
Yeah, good $20 move. Yep.
Yeah, okay. Nice. All right, man. This is great information. I sure appreciate you.
Um, let's see if I can. So it's the Russell 2000 ETF, and these are the holdings. So these are your top. Um, where so these are your sectors allocated. Um, so these are your top 10 holdings in the IWM. So these will be stocks that you would want to check.
Who we got? PCVX.
PCBs. So as you can
Nice.
see,
Heck yeah. Look at
she
that
is
jump.
she is starting to move. So what she is worth triple digits, but understanding that she is in a consistent uptrend now with the breakout of this channel that she was creating. So she's going to continue to run. She'll come back and clean up some of this, but then she's going to push up. So that's just one way to find some, if you're looking for long-term investments or something to swing trade or something to, hold more than a day, you can look at those different ETFs, um, and and see what you can find in there that's making some moves or has a positive chart
Nice. Yeah, that's good to
with an
know.
up with an uptrend.
Okay. All right. So how do we think tomorrow gonna pan out for the Bulls?
Oh, tomorrow is going to be wild.
Okay.
First thing in the morning, watch out for the drop. After that
Hmm.
drop happens, then the market's going to move because this big institution is going to going to want to shake people out.
Yep.
And that first drop in the morning is going to be that shaker.
They're gonna do it first thing in the morning.
hmm
Well,
I'm not mistaken. Um, interesting. Um, you can calendar tomorrow. Again, where's my filters? Filters. Hours, dates. See, 4 star. Bye. So tomorrow, all the news for tomorrow is going to be in the afternoon. So you're gonna get that. You're gonna get that drop early in the morning. So first thing in the morning when the market opens, drop's gonna happen, and then price is gonna run, and then around about 3 o'clock. Um, let's see, hold on, let me change that to where's Denver or Chicago? Um, no way.
That's mountain time right there.
Yeah. Oh, there we go. Jobless claims. That's gonna move the market right there.
Mm.
So that's set up at 6:30. So 6:30, the market's gonna move based off this information, up or down. Then you're gonna have these home numbers come out at 8. Um, that's where a lot of your volatility is gonna come in at 6:30, right before the market opens. So it's gonna give signs that it may go up, it may go down. People are gonna try to jump in as soon as the market open and catch it riding up, or they're gonna see it go down. They're gonna jump in and try to catch it going down. And get faked out, and the market's gonna go in the direction it wants to go in, which is the opposite direction of what happens here.
Mm. Yeah, you can't control where the market go.
You can't control where it goes, but you can watch what it does when it's moving in those directions and be
Mm.
able to
Just
make a
rock.
better make a better prediction.
Yeah. Ride that wave. But shit, man, that was awesome, man. That was a good review. Um, hey guys, please like, subscribe. If you guys want more of Coach E, let us know. Leave comments, and we'll see you guys on the next one.